Yeah, me there again. Woohoo. Never born to pick with some people.
Lord have mercy.
You see, me know say everybody grow different, and as such, we are gonna do things differently. Let's look on a house. Would you believe say people out here actually are painting them house orange and green? But that's them though. They are different. And we can accept that. It's awful and look disgusting, yes, but I can accept it. Hell, let's look upon something more specific to this video. Rice. People do rice differently. Some add butter, some add thyme, some add coconut milk. All different, and we can work with it. But there is one food though, me feel like say yo, they're not supposed to trouble it. This one food me feel like say yo, it's supposed to deal with one way and any other way is the wrong way. One food when me feel like say yo, if me see nobody deal with it no other way than how me feel like say it's supposed to do, our friendship just might done. Right there so, no questions asked, big and serious. Ramen. You see, it has come to my understanding say people out here just deal with ramen anyhow them want. And it can't work. Something have to be done about this. Let me ask a question. When you add the seasoning, before the water boil, during, or after the noodle come out of the pot? If it's anything besides during the noodle boiling in the pot, I feel like say you need help. God say you know. How you go put it in before and after? How? Jaja. And for the love of God, people, stop put onion and pepper in a ramen. Shit tastes disgusting. Peace.